She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be
Send out here coming at you with another video. And before we get started, you go ahead and subscribe here to my channel, and once you subscribe, be sure to click that bell notification so you are notified every single time I post another video. You want to know how I went from looking like this to looking like this? Why don't you keep watching? So let's get into this wig, honey. Make sure you check the links left in the description box below so you can order you one, because I am so in love with this one. Let's get into some of these features. They have a fake scalp with extra diamond lace. Now this fake scalp is literally undetectable, and the diamond lace acts as a protective barrier to keep the fake scalp from getting all wrangled and mangled and stuff. Plus, this fake scalp is very breathable, so you don't have to worry about losing air circulation and all of that. It is really breathable. It feels really good, you guys. Yes, so get into it. I'll give you more details on my blog, so make sure you subscribe not only here to my channel but to my website as well, so you do not miss out. But in my last video right here, I showed you guys how I did this little heat-free little stretching method, and so this is how my hair ended up coming out. I attempted to start braiding my own hair and stuff, and it was cool for a minute, but then my arms started hurting, and I realized I'm no quitter. Like, my mama braid my hair all the time. What I'm gonna quit now for? I'm not gonna quit. What I'm about to do is get some real quick thumbnails for you real quick, girl. Ain't nobody about to be braiding nobody hair. Hello, chikarati, snap it on me. Yes, okay. So now I am making this oil. Sorry about my phone. Now I am making this oil. You guys, make sure you are subscribed here to my channel, because very soon I am going to give you a really in-depth video on essential oils, because we don't really use them properly. But in this case, we don't have time for that. So now I'm going to take this essential oil blend that I just made, and now I'm going to begin to cleanse my scalp. Cleansing your scalp is something that you must do if you are wearing hair extensions, whether it's a wig, whatever. You are not having a protective style if you are not cleansing the follicle. All you're doing is constantly putting more and more layers inside of the follicle, which is blocking airflow, which in return will eventually kill the hair cuticle, follicle, all of that stuff. Seriously, you guys, it really will. If you are cutting off the air circulation, the follicle will die, just like a human being will pass out if you put a plastic bag over my head. Yes, so we'll get into that in the next video. Anywho, now I'm just going ahead and putting on some edge control, and this is a edge control coupled with like a curl definer, and I love this stuff. It's from Main Choice. Yes, so now I'm just putting this on my edges. I am putting quite a bit on my edges by my ears, because I'm not really going to use that much holding spray or anything for my edges, because that's where my glasses go. Plus, speaking of going places, I'm not going anywhere, so I'm not gonna hold it down that tight. But I do want you guys to notice that as I am spraying this freeze spray, I'm holding my head back and keeping the blow dryer going. As I'm doing this, not only is it drying it really fast, but it is preventing all of it from running in my face, even though that one little piece just ran in my face, so that just kind of put my foot in my mouth. But I was getting into the song, my bad. So I just attached the clips that come with. Make sure you go back to the beginning of the video if you missed the clips. But now at this point, it's super easy. I can just take my fingers and go ahead and rub them across, and it just goes straight down. Now I did add just a little bit more freeze spray around, where my ear tabs go and stuff, but that is pretty much it. And after I do that, I'm going to go ahead and just play with things. But I want to tell you guys, I did not bleach any knots. I did not pluck anything. I purposely did not touch this wig in any way, shape, or form except for putting it on my head just to show you guys this is a quick and easy one, and I am actually in love, because if anybody knows me, they know that even though I do other people's hair, I don't like to do my own. So this was super easy, you guys. So make sure you let me know thus far what you think and if you would use this one. Plus, I need to give her a name, so let me know what you think I should name her. I was thinking of naming her Sparkles or Skittles, even though she black, but I don't know, I was just feeling Skittles. Let me know what you think, okay?
Ryan Little.
shit behind me. Keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm Sade in the 90s. Do it like it's roulette. Roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that black and red, keep spending decks. I keep it moving. Put that shit behind me. Keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm Sade. won't sit through the tints in my Tesla. I be blocking out the world, it's a mess, yeah. I'm allergic to the bullshit. Alright, orange soda, Deepak Chopra, Versace robe and my Gucci loafers. Sex on the sofa, that's my yoga. Till my last breath, no regrets, cause I do it like it's roulette. Roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that black and red, keep spending decks, I keep it moving. Put that shit behind me, keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm Sade in the 90s. Do it like it's roulette. Roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that black and red, keep spending decks, I keep it moving. Put that shit behind me, keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm Sade in the 90s. No trouble ever stayed long enough. Thank God every day for I come up. Somebody tryna slide me. It's all up, it's all up. When I do it like it's roulette, roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that black and red, keep spending goods, I keep it moving. Put that shit behind me, keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm Sade. Do it like it's roulette, roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that black and red, keep spending decks, I keep it moving. Put that shit behind me, keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm Sade in the 90s. Do it like it's